Okay, Sagarika. Do you know where Notepad is? Open.
Or Windows plus R.
Yes.
Sir, what?
Can you click on the start? Have you shared your entire screen or you just
Do
shared your
Windows
browser?
S. Do Windows S once.
1 minute, sir. Is it in Google or should I go out?
No, no. So have you shared your entire desktop or you just shared a window?
A window.
Can you share the entire desktop?
I don't know how to do that.
You have to stop sharing and again share.
Stop sharing. Then
If you share, it will ask you, right? Desktop sharing or what is the option you get?
Your entire screen.
it just shows me what all stuff I have, like whiteboard, screen, new tab in Google Chrome.
Do screen.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing.
Okay. Now type over here Notepad.
Okay.
No, on the
Yeah.
bottom.
Okay.
Okay.
Notepad.
Let's open Notepad. Okay. All right. Can you give me a remote control?
Yeah.
Okay, Karan, you are doing good. All right, so let's start with HTML. Okay, so HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay.
Okay.
Hypertext Markup Language. Now, anything that you do in your probably in now or in future, anything which is related to web, everything is having HTML as the base.
Okay.
Now, what happens is you are going to create a document. The document could be a Word file, it could be Excel file, it could be anything. Okay. When your browser is going to read that file, it has to display it on it.
Okay.
Browser could be Internet Explorer, could be Chrome, could be Firefox.
Okay.
So, as a developer, you're going to create an HTML file. Yes, Krish, I will send the recording. So, as a developer, you're going to create an HTML file, and browser is used to display that document and to transfer the information from one end to another end.
Okay.
When you're creating a document, there has to be a specific format that needs to be followed. Okay, and that is where we make use of Notepad to create an HTML file. Okay, so what we will do, we will start with very basic. Now, every document should have certain tags. Okay, so tags are defined by these angle brackets.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
we will have an opening tag and then we will have a closing tag. So we have two types of tags, like, so anything you write, there would be an opening tag and then there would be closing tag. With me so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Krish, you are able to see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're able to see? Okay, good. Okay. Now let's start creating our first document, okay? So, and then I'll explain you also why we are writing it that way, okay? Karan, you will be able to write what I am doing at her screen?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So very first thing, we have to define what kind of document it is, okay? So we will say doc type. And I'll explain you also what we are doing, okay?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Why we are writing head?
I'll explain you. I'll explain you what
I
I
still
will
write
see.
HTML.
Let me first write and then I'll explain you, okay? Okay, can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we have done, whenever this particular file would be read by a browser will always do it from the top, okay? Browser will first come to this particular line. Browser will see, okay, this file is of type HTML. We have an HTML tag. So whenever we have a HTML tag, we'll always have a closing tag, okay?
Okay.
Any HTML file that you're going to create will start from an HTML tag, okay? If we have started the tag, then we'll close the tag also. To close the tab is as simple as putting a backslash and putting it over here, okay? Similarly,
Okay.
you now have to imagine that when you are creating a document, it will have a head, okay? And then it will have a body. So we have got head, okay? Head tag with me.
Yes,
And then
sir.
we have got a body tag.
Okay.
Everyone getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, if you would have noticed, I have put this head over here, which is incorrect because if we are starting with an head tag, it should also close it, okay? So can you do one thing? Can you cut this thing,
So which one?
head, closing tag of head, and place it after the title tag? Cut it.
Okay.
And go over here after the title tag, hit enter.
So where?
No, over here, hit enter after this and paste it.
Okay, wait.
Can I share next?
Yes, sure. She won't be able to type that fast, okay?
So cut, then
Hit enter and
enter.
over here hit enter, after title hit enter
Enter.
and paste it.
Okay.
And do you know where the tab is? Can you hit tab over there?
Where?
Can you take your cursor over here in the head part over here, the mouse cursor? Can you hit?
I didn't get you.
On the keyboard there is a tab key.
Yeah.
Can you click on tab key?
Should
Anything
I first
happening?
click here?
Yeah. After that, is there anything happening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then go over here, title,
Okay.
and click the tab key
Tab.
and one more tab.
Tab.
Very good. Okay.
Okay.
Then do the same thing for this one.
2 times or once?
2 times.
Okay.
Okay. For this one, do it 1 time.
Okay.
Then keep it, okay, keep it this one, just put it over here, the body one.
So should I press tab once?
Yeah, once.
Okay.
And for this one also do it once.
Okay.
Okay. And can you over here press the delete key?
Over
Just
here.
to make sure like this HTML goes up.
So should I click here and delete?
Yeah. So this white space, you can just click backspace, backspace.
Okay. Enough?
No, just it. That's it. Now wait. Huh?
Okay.
Now let's try to understand what we have done. So this is the structure of our HTML. We are saying there is an HTML tag, start HTML tag and end HTML tag. Okay.
Okay.
Within that tag, we have got head. Okay, start and head. Okay, start of head tag and end of head tag.
Okay.
Within that, we have got title tags. And then we have got the body tag. Okay.
Okay.
Now what you will do, can you type over here, my first web page? Just type my first,
Okay.
type my first web page.
First web page.
Okay. Then go over here, file,
Okay.
and do save as.
Save as. Okay.
And give a name over here.
What
Just
should I
say,
name it?
just name today date itself will also work. What is today's date?
8th.
Okay, just make it 8th August.
8th.
AUG, 8th August. Do not give a space as of now. Let's don't give a space. 8th August.
Okay, 1 second. 8th August.
Dot
Dot
HTML.
HTML.
And in this drop down, save as type, select save as type.
Over here.
Yeah, just click over there and make it all files.
All files.
Okay, and let's hit save.
Okay.
Everyone has done this?
Yes, sir.
How about you, Karan?
Excuse me,
Yeah,
sir.
I have done.
Okay,
Excuse me, sir.
Krish? Yeah, Krish?
Sir, I have a question that the Python or the HTML, they both are same only.
No, they are different. Krish.
Oh. No, sir, I was just having some confusion of it.
No problem. In your school, what are they going to teach you?
Sir, it is Python going on, not HTML. So I thought that first I can learn HTML, then it will be easy to me learn HTML in school class.
Okay. Okay, now what you will do, open up your Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome.
It's already open.
Okay, let's go back to your Google Chrome.
Okay.
And we need to now open over here this particular file. Can you go and file open over here? Do you have any file? How do you do it over here?
File. No, we don't have any
Okay, okay.
file.
All right. Then let's go back to the folder where you have saved it.
Okay.
Where you have saved this particular file, in which folder?
I don't know it.
Okay, click over here on the folders.
Okay. 1 second. It's taking time to load. I opened 2.
Okay, probably you saved in the documents. Let's go to the document folder.
It's here.
Yeah. Now just right click on this particular one.
Okay.
And say open.
Open.
Yeah, first one. Let's say open.
Okay. Let's
Let's say
open.
okay. Okay, so this is your first web page. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what
Yeah.
we have done so far, we have given a title to a web page. So anytime when you open any website, when you see something on the tab over here, you should understand it is coming from the title tag.
Okay.
Everyone with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let me go to Karan's screen. Okay, Karan. And Sagarika, you have to type now, okay, whatever he is going to do. Okay, very
Okay.
good. Okay. Now you have to go back to the notepad that you have, Sagarika.
Okay.
Now
The
what we have
saved
to,
one.
yes, you have to open. We will keep on building your web page, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we will do in the body, okay, body, can you type, Karan, I am learning HTML.
I'll
Just type, I am learning HTML. That's it. Okay. And then save it and show me how it looks like. Okay. Now let's make sure she has also done that.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
you are,
should I save the entire document again?
you just
do
have to
Control S.
Control S.
Okay.
So once you've done that, then again open your web page and see if it's displaying there or not.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't hear what you just said.
So once you have saved your file, again go back to the browser and see whatever text you have written is displayed on that or not.
Okay. Sir, it's not saving.
Okay, show me your screen.
So I do
Okay, just go to file again, and say save.
save as.
No, just say save this time. Hit cancel.
Okay.
Just say file, save.
Save.
Okay, now go back to your web page.
Okay.
You have to open the web page again.
She's sharing a window. I think.
Yes.
Okay. Stop share.
Okay.
Share screen. Share. Okay.
Okay, show me that. All right, just refresh this again. Click on the refresh icon.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, it is coming. Now let me go back to Karan again. Okay.
Okay.
So slowly you are building your web page now. Okay. So just now let's try to understand what all things we are doing. Okay? Karan, let's go back. Very first thing we did, we added a title. So that comes on the top. Now we are adding the body. Okay. Now when we are doing a body, we have to present the content in a formatted manner. So there is a tag which is paragraph tag, which is, can you type P? Yes, P, and then after that also /P.
So 1 second. Yes, sir.
Okay, can you show me again, Karan? Okay, very good.
It separates.
Yes. So now let's, how many you have done,
I
Sagarika?
made two.
Okay. So
Sir,
now
it didn't come for me.
okay,
That
let
you
me,
have to make one more. It gives a one line space.
yes. Okay.
Okay.
Is it working for you, Sagarika?
No.
So you have to share your screen again.
Okay.
P, and then it would be a closing tag also, P.
Yeah, I did.
No, the closing tag,
There's
right?
no
So let's have a
slash,
close. So any
backslash.
tag you open, it should always close.
Okay.
Okay. So let's close the tag also.
So with what key should I
So
press?
it is backspace and P, right? There would be a just
Backspace.
backslash would be there on your keyboard.
Okay, 1 second. This one?
No, the other one.
Straight one.
No, the other one. It would be something like this.
Yeah.
Okay, then put it inside this, right? Okay. Very
Okay.
good. Now save it and show me on your browser.
No,
It
the line
came, right?
came.
Yes, so we
Yeah.
have to delete it, right? So because now try to understand what browser is doing. Whatever is inside, go back to your code. Whatever is inside your tag, that is something which browser is displaying, right? So this particular slash is inside the tag.
Yeah.
Can you remove that?
So I have to put this inside.
No, you have done that, right? So always P is a tag. P is paragraph tags. If you start a paragraph tag, you have to close the tag also. Correct?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
then you write your text inside that. You say, I am learning HTML. Now let's copy this entire line and again paste it the next row.
Okay.
And let's copy it. Now let's paste it after that again.
Over here.
Yes, paste it again.
Okay.
And now change something. Just type over here, I am learning HTML with my friends.
Okay.
Done? Everyone done? And then just go back and show me your browser, how it is displayed in
So
the.
should we save it?
Yes, every time you have to save it. Yeah.
Okay. Refresh. Yeah.
Okay. So P, now start remembering all these tags you have to remember. P is paragraph. Okay. Anytime you want to specify, when you write in Microsoft Word or somewhere, right, you write paragraphs. Okay.
Okay.
So anything, if you want to have a long descriptions, right, over here, then at the end, you will have it in slash paragraph tag. Okay.
Okay.
So anytime in future, when you see any web page, you see there are many lines, then there is a space, then there are many lines, then there is a space. You will understand they are using a paragraph tag to display it on the web page.
Okay.
Karan with me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now, so HTML is all about learning different tags. Okay, so we will learn different tags as such.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's talk about new thing. Okay. Sometimes what happens, you also have to write comments. Now let's go back to your code. Okay.
Okay.
So someone else is trying to read your code. He does not understand what this is all about.
Okay.
Okay. Can you hit enter over here after body? Let's hit enter after body.
Okay.
So it's very important that when you write code, it should be something where you need to explain what you are doing.
Okay.
Okay, so if you have to, if someone else comes and try to read your code, he should be able to understand. Okay,
Okay.
Now, if you have to explain someone what you are doing, what is that you will write over here? This is my first attempt to create a web page, right? So this is what we are doing, correct? So now let's write that. This is my first attempt to create.
This is my first attempt
To learn HTML.
to learn.
This is what this coding that you're doing all together, right?
Okay.
It's just that when you work in a team, you want to make sure whatever code you are writing, someone else can also understand it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now save it and show me how it looks like in a browser.
Okay. So.
Okay. Now the problem is this text has come on the browser. We didn't wanted it on the browser.
Okay.
It's just a comment. Okay, for someone else. When I say someone else, some other developer in your team to understand what code you have written. Okay. So now let's go back to your code. We have to ensure that this line that you have written, this is my first attempt to learn HTML. This should be treated as a comment as such. It should not be displayed on the web page. That means a new tag is there to do it.
Okay.
Okay. Now the tag, I'll tell you the format and then you have to search and do it. Okay.
Okay.
I'll just draw it and then you try to find it out where it is in the keyboard. Okay. You will have an angle bracket.
Yeah.
Okay. Now somewhere over here, just go and just write it, that angle bracket.
So where?
Somewhere over here. Then we'll do a cut paste later on. But first, I want to make sure you understand where on the keyboard it is.
Okay. This?
Yes, very good. Then you have an exclamation mark.
Yeah. So this, then exclamation.
Very good. Then you will have dash.
Yeah.
You have it?
Yeah.
One more dash. You have to put 2 dash.
Okay.
Then just cut this part and put it before this is my first.
Paste.
Okay. Now over here also put 2 dash. After that also put 2 dash.
Okay.
And then put a closing bracket.
Closing bracket.
The closing bracket, when I say not this one, sorry, the angle bracket, the greater than sign.
Okay.
Now save your code and see whether this line is displayed on the web page or not.
Yeah.
It's not displayed, right?
Yeah.
So now remember, okay, so now let me go back to Karan's screen. Karan, please share. Okay, very good. There is one extra thing, Karan.
What?
This is not needed. There is only one, so you can remove, yeah. And this also you can remove, okay. Now just show me. Did not go away.
Refresh your page.
Okay, thank you. Krish, you are able to follow? Krish, you still there? Okay, all right. Now let's try to recap what all we have learned. Okay, now Karan, can you go back to the code? So very first thing we learned is when the browser is reading your file, right? It's reading from Yes.
But this doc type HTML is also not so important, right?
It is a good practice to have it. Okay.
Okay.
Right. It's not important. It's not required, but it's a good practice to have it. Okay. So when your browser is reading this particular file, it is going from top to bottom. Okay. Very
Okay.
top, when the browser reads it, finds, oh, I have to work on the HTML file. Okay, this gives an indication to browser that you have to open HTML file. Okay.
Okay.
Then HTML is all about tags. So we have the very first tag, HTML tag, the start of the file. If we have started the tag, then we will close the tag also. Over here, we are closing the tag.
Okay.
Then HTML has head and has body. Okay, so we have got head and body. With me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then we had title. Why we had title? Because on the web page, on the title bar, on the tab, we wanted to display something. So that we put in a title. Then we wanted to display certain text. If you want to put certain text on the web page, it will always come in the body tag.
Okay.
Okay. And in body tag, we have something called as paragraph. Now let's do one thing, Karan. Can you write a lot of text inside this paragraph? I am learning HTML. I study in just type lot of text.
Sir, should I also do it?
Yes, yes. So that you guys understand why we are doing it.
Okay.
My name is Karan. I live in Mumbai. I like to do coding. Just write lot of text. Okay. And if you can save it and then show me how your page looks like.
1 second, sir.
Okay. Okay. Written, Sagarika?
Not yet, sir. 1 second. Yes, sir. Done. 1 second. I'll just check. It's come. Yes, sir, it's come.
Okay.
Sir, should I share?
Wait, let him share. Okay. So the whole idea of paragraph, now if you see it, right? So Now we have our content, which is of 2 lines. This first line, this is second line. Because we had a paragraph, after paragraph, a line is inserted by the browser itself. Okay, just remember whenever you have /p as a closing tag, after that, browser will introduce a blank line. So over here, there's a blank line which has been introduced. This is what I wanted you guys to know.
Okay.
Okay, so in English or language also, or when you write a paragraph, right? After paragraph, you leave a line and then you start a new paragraph. Karan, with me? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now we will now learn a new tag. Okay, so now you can share your screen, Sagarika.
Okay. Yeah.
Krish, you still there or not?
Sir, I'm there.
Okay, you are seeing it, right? Okay.
Sir, I'm
Now
wanting.
let's. Okay, now let's go back to the code.
Okay.
So now when you are building your web page. When you're building your web page, you want a heading to be on the very top. With me?
Yeah.
So what you will do after body, over here, hit enter.
Okay.
And you will have a tag which says H1.
H1.
You have
Yeah.
H1.
I have to write that?
Yes, and then you will have an H1 closing one. Okay. So you'll have a heading tag.
One. Close. One more?
Yes, so anytime you open a tag, you have to close the tag also, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
so
sir, I have to do H1 and then another H1.
then we will close that H1 with a backslash H1.
So once
And then
more.
that becomes kind of bold. Right?
Okay. So like this?
But you have not closed it, right? Every time we open a tag, we have to close the tag also.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And can you make it in lowercase H1, both of them? Let's make it lowercase, okay?
Okay. Okay,
And
done.
in between, we will write our text, okay? So just go over there and type about me. Just write about me. About space me, and now save it, and let's see how it looks like on the web page.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. So anytime on web page you see something which is bold, which is big line, you will understand they are using an H1 tag to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now let's go back to your code again.
Can I share?
Let me finish this H1. Okay. All right. So H1 H stand for heading. Okay.
Okay.
Heading. Just remember, we have anytime you create a document, you give a heading to it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So H is heading. Now heading can have various sizes. H1 is the biggest size that you can have it. Then you have something called as H2. You have something called as H3. Then you have something called as H4. Okay. So do one thing.
There's nothing called H5.
No, we
and
have
above.
H5 also. We have H5 also. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now copy this, the entire line. Copy this entire line.
Okay. Copy.
Then put enter over here after that.
Enter.
Paste it.
Paste.
Again put enter, paste it.
Okay. So cut.
No, no need to copy once you have copied it, right? So no need to copy again.
Enter.
Paste it again. After that,
Sir, done.
one more time. paste it. So you have to paste it 3 times.
So
You
I
pasted
again
it.
have to copy it.
Can you do right click and then do it?
Okay, so paste. Oh wait. Paste. Okay.
Again do it. Let's have 4 times. Again do it. And then let me go to Karan screen. Okay, Karan, please share. Okay, very good, Karan. So now what we will do, in the second one, Karan, make it H2. Make this as H2.
In the second one, sir.
Yeah, instead of H1, it will be H2. Can you make it H2, Karan?
Done, sir.
Wait, let Karan also complete it. Okay.
Sir, for the third one, should we make it
H3.
H3?
Yes,
And then like that H4.
correct.
Okay, done, sir.
And then save it and show me your web page.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
Okay, so can you see it?
1 second, sir. I'm just saving it. Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you see current screen, the same thing is getting reduced, the font, right?
Yeah.
So when you are creating a document, you will have a main heading, then you have a subheading, then subheading, right? Inside headings, headings, headings. For that, you make use of tags, and those tags are H1, H2, H3, H4. Okay, depending on
Okay.
how much smaller you want the font size to go.
Okay.
Karan, with me?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, then let's go back again. Okay, let's go back to the code again. Let's do one thing, Karan. One of these H1s, right? You can delete it from here and paste it between these 2 paragraphs.
So, sir, the one that says H4.
Anyone you can do that.
Okay. And where should we paste it?
Anywhere, like between the 2 paragraphs. Let's paste it between the 2 paragraphs.
Okay. 1 second, sir.
Yeah, the line is spaced out. It's
Okay,
spaced
now,
out.
okay.
1 second, sir. Sir, should we copy it or cut it?
Cut it and
Control
then
X,
paste.
yeah, cut.
What? Sir, can you just see mine?
Okay, please share.
Okay. Is this right?
About me, I'm learning HTML. Yes, it's good. Okay.
Okay, let
Now
me just
save it.
save it.
Yes.
Now go to Chrome, refresh, and comes
Yes.
between the para.
Very good. Okay. Now let's go back to your code.
Okay.
Suppose you want to make sure between this line and this line, there are 3 empty lines.
Okay.
So can you
Yeah.
click enter 3 times? Let's hit
Okay.
enter 3 times and save it, and then see it on the.
Save and refresh.
Okay, so it did not work. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have a new tag, and Karan knows about it. Karan, what's the tag name?
BR.
BR. Okay, very good. BR stand for break.
Break.
Okay, now let's go back to your code.
Okay.
and have a tag BR. BR. Okay.
Capital or
Small. Everything tags are in small. Okay. BR.
BR?
And just copy it and do it 3 times. Copy this
Okay.
and hit, yeah. After hit enter.
Then paste. Then click
Yes,
enter.
it worked.
Then
Works.
and paste.
But this tag doesn't has a closing tag.
Correct. I'll explain you why also.
BR, HR and all.
Yes, sir.
Worked? Okay. Now this tag was special tag. If you go back to your code,
Okay.
this one does not had a closing tag, right? BR. It
Yeah.
did not had it. Why it did not had it? Because we don't have any text in between to be displayed. All of these
Okay.
have closing because we are displaying something on the web browser, right?
Yeah.
That's why they have a closing tag. Okay. So
Okay.
in HTML, there are certain tags which need not have a closing one.
Okay.
With me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I am for this particular paragraph. Okay. Suppose we want to make sure between my and friendship, there are 4 empty spaces. Can you go and click inside this and click on the space bar?
How many times?
Space bar, just click space bar 4 times. If you want to have space between these 2 words. You have done that? Okay, very good. Now
Yeah.
save it and see on
One
the web
second.
browser.
Okay. And then- Yeah.
So
It's
it
not
did not
happening.
it did
No.
not happen, right? So that means there is a separate tag for that also. Okay, so all I want to make sure you understand that when you are doing coding, what you are doing on the notepad will not directly be displayed on the web browser because web browser is expecting a specific tag for it. With
Okay.
me? Okay, now
Yeah.
let's go back to your code. And somewhere over here, okay, first just write down what I am writing. Okay, there is something called as ampersand. Ampersand is and symbol, something like this. You find it?
Yes, sir.
So ampersand and then type N B S P. Very good. Now just cut this part and put it 4 times over here.
Okay. So cut over here. Paste. Wait. Gap. So should there be a space?
It doesn't matter as such. You can do it one after the other.
Space. So how many times?
4 times.
Yes, it works.
Worked? Okay.
Paste. And paste. Now save. Then go to Google. Refresh. And yes, sir.
Worked? Okay.
Yeah.
So now we are going to, let's go back to the code again.
Okay.
Let's do a rehearsal. What all things? It's a lot of things that you guys did today. Okay. And you have to remember it also. In coding, it's just you have to remember a lot what all things are there. Okay. So let's try to find it out. Let me go to current screen now. Okay. Karan did not share a lot today. So I'm going to repeat, okay, today what all things we did. Whenever a browser is going to open your file, your code file, browser is going to find out what is this all about. Browser will read the top line, HTML. Browser will understand I have to now load a HTML file. That's why we have this particular line on the top. HTML is all about the tags. when you have an opening tag HTML, you will have a closing tag also HTML. Then we have an head tag. So think about it as a body. Every body has a head and it also has a body, correct? That's why you have a head and we have a body.
Yes, sir.
Now, within head, we have something called as title, so that if someone opens your web page, should understand what this is all about. That's why we have this title. And then we learned about different headings. Whenever you create a web page, so if someone is reading your web page, he should know what this web page is all about. So we have different heading, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signifies what is the font size. Okay. 1 is the maximum length. Then you have 2. Then you have 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you will specify the font size over here, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. After that, we learned break statement. If you want to introduce a line break, this is known as line break. Okay, remember, you have to remember a lot. Okay, it's not like Scratch. Okay, so BR is line break. So if you want to introduce breaks, line break between your lines, you have to make use of BR tag. BR tag does not have a closing one. It's just an opening tag it has. Then you have to know how to write a comment in your code. So if you want to write a comment, you will write it like this. Then we have got paragraph tag. And what else? And we know how to put a blank space within our sentence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Karan, do you have a subject in your school, HTML?
No, we have a subject computer, but we are learning HTML.
So
We have
we means like your teacher in school is teaching.
no. My uncle teaches me.
Okay, you are also like doing because you like it. Okay.
Yeah,
How about you,
I
Sagar? Uh-huh.
I know till div tag and then a tag, attribute a tag, and
Okay,
all.
very good. So
And
this is kind
CSS
of a
also I've
revision for you.
started. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So how about you, Sagarika? Do you have it in your school?
No, sir.
Not yet. So this is like you want to learn something. Okay. All right. Okay. Krish, you have Python.
Yes, sir, I have both.
Python is second level. Like first, what I feel you should
After
know
JavaScript.
HTML. First, you should know HTML. Then you should know Python. Okay. Right.
Yes,
So
sir,
tomorrow when
school.
we'll meet, we will learn new tags. Okay. Once you know all the tags which are there, then we can start building our beautiful websites.
Okay.
Okay, but today just practice, just read it. Okay, change some text.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Chris.
Can you send that recording? I will practice and send to you.
Okay, sure, I'll do that, Chris. Okay, but
Bye.
please practice
Okay, sir.
today so that
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
when we come, we are going to build on top of it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Then thank you everyone. If you do you have any other question for me?
No, sir.
Okay. And Karan, from where you downloaded his Notepad Plus, can she also download?
I ask my uncle and then tell you.
Okay. All right. Okay. Or what we will do, Sagarika, tomorrow we'll first download
Or you
Notepad
can
Plus.
download from
Okay.
I think you can download from Chrome.
Okay. Just search for Notepad Plus.
Okay, this is Sagarika's father.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, sir.
So this Notepad Plus, no problem. I'll get it downloaded. Don't worry. You don't have to, unless anybody else wants help in downloading it.
Yeah. Please tell me, sir. Sandeep.
I was saying I will download the Notepad Plus on her laptop.
Okay. All right. It's just that it looks much more readable.
Yeah, it's way
Yeah.
better.
Yeah, your command, the tags are very visible in Notepad Plus. It's much better.
Correct. Yes. And Karan can also teach me how to use this. Okay. All right.
Me too.
Yeah. Okay. You're saying something, Sandeep?
No, nothing. I was just saying that I would download it. I was saying even I can learn Notepad Plus from Karan.
Sure. Okay, from Karan. Okay. All right. Then we'll talk tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Thanks. Bye. Bye, Karan.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye.